If you ask me, I'd rather to produce to make money as opposed to consume and it's not productive, which is no money. That's bottom line. How much did YouTube pay towards my rent? Truth reveal. Today I'm going to talk to you about that. Listen, I decided to create a series of these videos whereas y'all see the journey, the story of how I came about this. As you can see, I'm at my job, my day-to-day job. My goal is to make YouTube pay my rent and use my full-time job for vacation and other things of that nature. Anyway, to make a long story short, I've been creating a series of these videos. For me, I'm going to explain to you if it's worth it or not for me to come out here and continue to create YouTube video. As you can see, I just took out my wisdom tooth, so you may not see me as consistent as I should, but just forgive me. So first and foremost, I just want to say that this income from YouTube, it's only YouTube AdSense. It's only ads. Right now, I'm not doing like any sponsorship. I'm not doing any collaboration. I do have an e-commerce store somewhere up there that you can look. I'm not going to include that in there because I do use YouTube as a traffic source as it relates to my e-commerce store. So you may see it, that income is different. We're not going to talk about that. I'm just happy at this point because it's something. A lot of people out here creating videos. A lot of people aren't even monetized, but they're creating videos every single day and still nothing. I want to encourage you to continue to thrive, continue to shoot your videos. Anyway, for me, I decided that I was gonna create videos every single day and use this platform as a way to generate income on YouTube to pay my rent or to go towards it. I was being very realistic because I know that I've been monetized for the last 4 months. And so, I'm building still. As you can see, I just have maybe over 11,000 subscribers. So I'm building. The point is I'm still out here and I won't give up. Today, which is November 21st, I made $121 and that will go towards my rent. Now you're probably saying, girl, that ain't nothing. I know it ain't nothing, but it's something, right? And I'm still grateful for it because I'm just recording videos. I'm not editing much. I'm just doing the bare minimum. As you can see how my thumbnails look. So I'm not doing as much work. And guess what? I have the time to do it on my lunch break and I'm just creating. I do know that over time, it's going to pay off for me. And so if this is $121, I can't imagine what next month or the following months is going to be like, So I'm happy about that. Yes, $121 and I'm happy for that. Now for you, you're probably saying, girl, that ain't nothing. And it's okay. For me, it's something. I'm grateful for it. And I'm going to continue to strive and make more videos. And this pumped me for real. Like, I'm happy about it. And like I said, many others out here, they're making millions or thousands or hundreds. But that's okay. It's a starting process for me. I'm okay with it. I do understand how the system works. I just have to continue to work it to my full potential. Anyway, I just want to let you know that I continue to optimize my videos, the tags, the title, and just push it out there on a regular schedule, right? And so for me, I'm doing the bare minimum, but I know that over time, my videos will start to increase. So yes, I said it, YouTube contributed $121 towards my rent for this month. And like I said, I have my full-time job, but the goal is to make YouTube to pay my rent and use my full-time job income to do other stuff with my kids and things of that nature. So I wanted to put that out there. From my experience, I just want to share with you that consistency is what works, right? Like if you don't put in the work, you won't get any end result. That's how I look at it. So I want to encourage you, if you're someone out there who is trying to work YouTube and you're probably saying, you know what, it doesn't make sense, you're wasting your time. Listen, life is about experiencing, testing your limit, and you just have to go out there and try. It's just like you're going to a job, and guess what? You go to the interview, you weren't sure if you were going to get the job or not, but you purchased clothes, you did your resume, you spoke to them, you took a risk with yourself, and you went to work 2 to 4 weeks before you get paid. And you did it with faith, right? Well, pretty much it's the same thing with YouTube. You just have to push your limit and go out there. For me, this is a reminder for me to continue to work to my full potential because I know it's going to happen. I decided that faithfully I was going to come out here and I'm going to show you results, right? So for this month, 121. And let me tell you, this is not my first channel. I have another channel, but for this channel, I wanted to share with you the realistic amount that I made. For next month, we will reveal it, and the list goes on and on for future months. I want to encourage you that it makes sense doing, because I mean, we're all on the phone anyway. We're all consuming information, right? So if you can consume and produce at the same time and make money, why not doing it? If you ask me, I'd rather to produce to make money as opposed to consume and it's not productive, which is no money. That's bottom line. So like I said, I am happy the fact that I created these videos, and they're going to build over time. They will start to make money, and I want to share with you so you can travel with me on this journey, because money is out here to be made. But at the end of the day, we all have to put in the work. You can't just sit there and not do anything. Life is about taking risk. Life is about testing your limit. Life is about being consistent and show up for yourself when no one else will. And I mean, let me tell you something. Another thing too, you got to believe in yourself and stop self-sabotaging yourself. I want to encourage you. A lot of us do that. A lot of us find fault with ourselves. A lot of us just feel like we can't do it. But the truth is, if you believe in yourself, you can do it. No matter the situation and circumstance, you can do it.